everybody, welcome to my channel TIC Speaking English by Linda. In this lesson, I want to talk about present perfect continuous tense. This tense a little bit is the same present perfect, but now I will tell you about how we make this, why we use this tense, and what is the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous? So, let's start. Look at here. What is the structure? The same the other tenses. First we need subject. Subject plus have or has plus been plus verb plus ing. Again, subject plus have or has plus been plus verb plus ing. So, depend on have or has, we use subject. For example, for have, you, we, they, I. Has for she, he, it. Okay? For example, she has been blah blah. You have been blah blah blah. Okay? Now, look at this example. I have been living. I, subject, depend on subject, we use have or has. I have been, verb ing, living. She has been, verb ing, waiting. He has been, verb ing, working. So, when we use this tense, look at here. For this tense, we start something in the past, some action in the past, and continue until now. It means now we are doing that action. For example, here, living. I have been living in this city. It means now I am living here. Okay, so started in the past and continue until now. Maybe started here, maybe here, maybe here, but start in the past and continue until now. In this tense, continuing is important. We speak about time. Time is important for us. For example, I have been living in this city for 20 years. It means now I am living here yet. Or she has been waiting until now. She has been waiting. Or he has been working until now. Okay? For example, look at example. I have been living in this city for 20 years. I have been living in this city for 20 years. 20 years ago, I started until now. Now I am living yet. She has been waiting for 1 hour. She has been waiting for 1 hour. 1 hour ago, she was waiting until now. So, she has been waiting for 1 hour. He has been working for 8 hours. He has been working for 8 hours. 8 hours ago started to work until now. Now he's working yet. So he has been working for 8 hours. So started in the past, continuing until now. For negative, we just add not after have or has. For example, I have been living in this city for 20 years. Negative, I have not been living in this city for 20 years. I have not been living in this city for 20 years. She has been waiting for 1 hour. Negative, just as not after has. She has not been waiting for 1 hour. He has been working for 8 hours. For negative, we add not after has. He has not been working for 8 hours. About question. For question, we change the place of subject from have or has. Have you been living? For example, number 1, I have been living. Have you been living in this city for 20 years? Have you been living in this city for 20 years? Or she has been waiting for 1 hour. Has she been waiting for 1 hour? Has she been waiting for 1 hour? Or here, he has been working for 8 hours. Change has with subject. Has he been working for 8 hours? Has he been working for 8 hours? Okay. Now about for or since. What is the difference? For is about period of time, whole time, but since point of the time. What does it mean? For example, I said that I have been living in this city for 20 years. Now I am 20 years old. So I say whole of the time. I say I have been living in this city for 20 years. But about since, I said that I have been living in this city since, for example, childhood. Since childhood. When we use since, we use at the first time, when we started this action. Since childhood, when I was born, I lived in this city until now. Now I am living yet. Okay, so I said that I have been living in this city for 2 years or since childhood. Or for example here, she has been waiting for 1 hour. For example, now the time is 12. 1 hour ago, 11. I said that she has been waiting since 11. Now it's 12. So 1 hour ago, she was waiting. She has been waiting since 11. Or here, he has been working for 8 hours. Now it's 12. 8 hours ago, for example, 9. I said that he has been working since 9. After 8 hours, we can say that he has been working for 8 hours. Okay? Now, what is the difference between present continuous, present perfect continuous, and present perfect? What is the difference? In present perfect continuous, time is important. We focus on time. Time important for us. Duration or continuing of the action. For example, started in the past 2 years, 20 years ago and continue. This continuing is important for us. And until now, continue, not finish. But for perfect, present perfect, Some action happened in the past, but we don't know when. Time is not important for us. In this period of time, from past until now, in this period of time, but we don't know, maybe here start and finish, here, maybe here start, here finish, maybe here start, here finish, maybe here start and just now finish, not continue, not now, we don't doing that action now, finish in the past. Okay, so experience is important for us for present perfect. Experience is important, but for present perfect continuous, time duration is important. We speak about continuing. For example, I can say that I have lived in this city for 20 years. I have been living in this city for 20 years. If I use this tense, it means now I am living yet. 20 years ago started and continue until now. But when I say I have lived in this city for 20 years, these 20 years may be here, 20 years, maybe here, not continuing until now. We don't speak about time, just experience. I have lived in that city. Finish. Okay? I think you understand completely about this tense. If you want to learn, join and enjoy. Bye.